Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you see your reposts on TikTok. So let's start. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. So here, if you repost a video, say for example, let's tap on this arrow right here and tap on repost. Now, there is no way that you can see which videos you reposted. So when you go to your profile, there are no way to see which videos you reposted. So what you can actually do is, say for example, let's try another video here. For example, this one. Before you tap on repost, you can tap on the bookmark first, and then you can tap on repost. So in that way, you will have a track on what you reposted on TikTok. Now, if you go to your profile in here and tap on the bookmarks, you can see the videos that you actually bookmarked and reposted. Now, this is a trick if you want to see your reposts on TikTok. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.